Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be another really quick BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is the August box, and I got this actually over the weekend, and I've been waiting to open it on camera and just unbox it and film this video for you guys. So I did get my box pretty early, so I wasn't able to see all of the sneak peeks that BoxyCharm has on Instagram. So what I normally like to do is show you guys the products, let you know what I'm excited about, and then usually do a second video where I try the products on, let you know what I think, and then create a look for you guys. So as soon as you open it, you do get the little pamphlet here. That little flyer tells you what the theme is for the month, and on the back it tells you all the products that you receive in your box, as well as the retail price. For those of you who are new to BoxyCharm or don't know about it, it's $21 a month, and they claim that you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and you usually get a palette every single month. So this month's theme is called Totally, and I don't normally read the back until the very end because I like to be surprised. And then at the very end of the video, I will let you know exactly how much everything costs. So as soon as you open it, this is what mine looks like. And the first product that I see here is from Wander Beauty. It's this right here. And it is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I've actually never really tried face oils like that, and especially illuminating face oils. So I'm really excited to see what this will look like. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit for you guys. It is a really nice baby pink, and there are some shimmer particles in this product. So let me see if you can really see it. And it feels really smooth. You don't feel any of the glitter. I wasn't expecting to feel any of the glitter, but just in case you were wondering, it kind of just went into my skin really nice. And it is lightly fragrant. It's nothing too overbearing, nothing too crazy. I usually don't gravitate towards facial oils, but this doesn't feel like an oil. It just feels like it just dissolves into your skin, and it will just keep your skin really hydrated. So I'm actually really excited. I'm looking forward to trying this. So the next product is from Tarte. It is their Big Ego mascara. So there are usually a couple of products that I don't like opening, especially if I have other products in the same category, if that makes any sense, and mascara is definitely one of them. So this is what the mascara looks like right now. I'm not going to open it out. I'm really weird about things like that. I just started using a mascara. It's from Maybelline. I know it's just a drugstore mascara, but I've only been using it for about 3 or 4 days, or 3 or 4 times. And I like to wait until I'm finished using a mascara before trying something new, because mascara is just one of those things that I'm very on it, especially with when you need to throw it away, because I definitely don't want any eye infections. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm not huge on high-end mascaras. I don't feel it's necessary for me to spend high-end money on it. Usually I just wear falsies, but I do like a good mascara if I'm not gonna wear falsies. But hopefully this works really well. So the next product is a brightening peel off mask. It has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng, and it is the Pure and Barbie collab, and it's called Glitterly Pink. So I'm assuming this is going to be a very bright, hot, sparkly pink. And I'm not going to put too much on. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I don't think this has a fragrance either. It may have something very subtle, but I think I may be also smelling that facial oil. Yeah, I'm not really sure. So this is what it looks like. You can probably see the glitter and the sparkles, but it goes on really, really smooth. I'm just going to keep it on my hand and just peel it off at the end. But this is supposed to exfoliate away dead skin and deliver immediate radiance for healthy looking glow that lasts. And it's supposed to help deep clean your pores. So I'm not a huge fan of peel off masks. I pretty much only use that right before I'm getting ready to put my makeup on, just because it's easier for me to do a mask and then I just peel it off and then proceed with the rest of the process. So the next product that I'm seeing in here are these lashes right here. This is from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and this is in the style Insta Glam. I don't know if you guys are even able to read any of this. And it says ready, set, get addicted. So these are what the lashes look like. To be honest, I'm not really a huge fan of the style of these lashes. I do like really natural looking lashes, but I'm really picky with my everyday lashes. Like the lashes that I wear on a regular are my Salon Perfects and 614s. They are more fuller, they are more wispy, they're just nice and long, and I'm honestly not really sure if I'm going to like these. I'm definitely going to try them, but I think these are a little too natural for me, but maybe I can cut them up and I can kind of just do other things with them, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to really be loving these. And the last product is actually product that I'm most excited about. It's also a product that I'm not really going to open on camera and probably use for a little bit. So it is from Becca. It is their Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And I'm really hoping, okay, so I know with this, they did do a sneak peek and you were either going to receive a translucent shade or the medium deep shade. And I received the translucent one. So I'm really excited about the shade that I got because I was looking forward to setting my under eyes and pretty much everywhere where I put concealer to set that area. So if you do not know about this powder, I've actually been wanting to try this for a little while, and it is supposed to, I'm trying to explain the best way to tell you about this. Let me see if there's an easier way. Okay, so it says Set and Chill, an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help extend wear. It's a weightless powder, sets perfects, and it's formulated with 50% water. And this powder is supposed to make your skin look awakened and fresh upon application. And you can apply it throughout the day, helps rejuvenate your makeup, and it is ideal for all skin tones. So what I heard about this powder is when you put it on with either a sponge or a brush, it feels like the sponge or the brush is wet on your skin, but it's not. It's just that nice cool feeling, and yeah, it's just supposed to be that really nice cool feeling. Now with this, they say that you need to keep it closed really well, or all of the cool factors, I mean, I don't even know how to explain it, but all of the cool factors, let's just call it that, is going to go away. So I do have a lot of setting powders that I'm using right now and things that I'm trying out. So I don't want to open this yet until I'm ready to use it. But once I do, I will let you guys know what my first impression is and what I think about it and how I feel about it. But I did hear that this is not a powder that is meant to, you're not supposed to bake with it, but it's pretty much just supposed to set your face, and it's not supposed to make you look cakey at all. So I am extremely, extremely excited about that. And what else am I forgetting? Oh, okay. The retail value of everything. So the retail value for the Becca Hydra Mist powder is $39. The illuminating facial oil from Wander is $42. The Tarte mascara, the Big Ego, it retails for $23. The Pure Glitterly Pink Mask retails for $26 and these lashes retail for $15. I think out of all of these products that I received, the two that I'm actually the most excited about are the Becca powder and this Wander facial oil. Like I said, I'm not really a huge fan of facial oils, but this doesn't feel like an oil at all. It feels just like a really nice, I don't know, serum. It doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel like any other facial oils that I own, and I think that's why I'm really excited trying this out. But I think this is the second time since I've subscribed with BoxyCharm that I haven't received a palette, and usually when I get a palette in, then I try to film a look for you guys and let you know what I think. It just creates something really easy, simple for you. But based off of the products that I got this month, I'm not going to really be able to do that. I am going to hold off on using the mascara and the powder just because I have a mascara that I'm currently using and I have powders that I'm still trying out and testing out. So I want to make sure that I really get a chance to use up my products before just wasting it. And the Hydra Mist powder, I really don't want to waste the cooling factor. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you received in your BoxyCharm box, and yes, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.